In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the tenant ID for your Microsoft Dynamics 365 or Power Platform environment by navigating through the Azure or Microsoft Entra ID portal. This is a crucial skill, especially if you're managing multiple environments or integrating services that require specific configurations. So, without further ado, let's dive in and guide you through this process in a way that's both simple and straightforward. First, you'll want to head over to the Azure portal. Just open your web browser and navigate to the Azure portal's website. It's important to note that to access what's needed, you'll have to sign in with an account that holds admin privileges. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to view and retrieve the tenant ID. Once you're successfully logged in, glance over to the left-hand menu. Scroll down or search for an option labeled either Microsoft Entra ID or Azure Active Directory. You'll most likely see one of these, though the naming might differ slightly depending on whether your interface references the older or newer terms. Both this menu choice and terminology are pivotal because where this label points will lead you directly to the core identity management features you need to explore today. Now, after selecting the Microsoft Entra ID or Azure Active Directory option, you'll find yourself in a dashboard filled with various functionalities. What you're particularly interested in is located under the Manage section. This segment covers an array of settings and configurations, but don't worry, we'll pinpoint exactly what you should click on. Within that Manage category, you'll see an option called Properties. Clicking on Properties will take you to a page where the general details and important identifiers of your directory are listed. And it's right here, on this very page, that you're going to spot the information you came for. As you scan through this section, one of the elements you'll notice is labeled either Directory ID or, more commonly, Tenant ID. It's presented as a GUID, a globally unique identifier. Think of it as an intricate ensemble of numbers and letters formatted in a way that's standard across all Active Directory setups. This identifier, though it might look like a random sequence at first glance, is fundamentally important as it uniquely distinguishes your environment. Once you've located this tenant ID, you have the option to copy this information directly from the page. Whether you need it for documentation, setting up applications, or any other administrative purpose, this makes ensuring you have correct and accurate details hassle-free. With that, you now have a successfully retrieved tenant ID from your Microsoft Entra or Azure Active Directory portal. Remember, being able to find and utilize these IDs can streamline your tasks and aid in effective management of your Dynamics 365 and Power Platform environments. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next instructional video.